what I got planned here is going to be a garden. I'm going to dig 5 lines and till it, and I'm going to use that poly pipe for irrigation, so hopefully I don't have to come out and water it, because I probably won't ever do that. Alright, well, I guess the gardening video is going to be on hold, so now I get to make a hydraulic hose repair video, so that would be fun. So it's probably really obvious, but I have no idea how to use a tiller. This is actually my first garden, so I think it died because all these roots all stuck on here. That's the trick. So the plan is to have an irrigation system in the trenches. I'm gonna walk down this and drill holes through it. I think it would probably work. And I've ordered some black plastic to put over the top of the trench or mound, or I don't really know what to call it. I've seen a lot of farms that grow like peppers do this kind of thing, so I'm gonna give it a shot. And I've got 3 lines dug out, so if I can't get the other 2 for a while, I guess that's okay, because I do not know when I'm gonna be able to fix that. It's a Friday afternoon, so I can't get any hoses made, and more than likely it's gonna be a real challenge to get that hose put in there anyway. And I cannot believe the traffic out here. You'd think that there was no coronavirus, all the people just driving all over, and then I had to go to Menards today, which I was dreading, and I got there, it looked like Black Friday. Went in there and it's all these people with canes and face masks, you know, the ones that are gonna die if they get coronavirus. They're the ones just flooding the store looking for a microwave and a can opener and stupid shit like that. It's just, it really pisses me off. I should really get back to gardening before I get even madder. Alright, I got my black poly all stretched out and pinned down. I should have done that first before I started doing anything, because otherwise it's a pain to work with. Alright, this will be my lead-in for hose. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far without the rest of the lines done. And people just driving back and forth all day long. And the thing is, This road, it doesn't lead, that way leads nowhere, that way it leads nowhere. Towns are that way and towns are that way, but they're just back and forth all day long, all day long. It's annoying. All right, so I'm just gonna go down the lines and run this drill bit through every maybe 12 inches or so. I'm just gonna go straight through. I think that'll work out. I got the black plastic. I got a pointy hoe and a flat hoe. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this. I guess I'm going to try to dig down both sides and pull the dirt over, put the plastic in, then push it back in. Might not even need the hose. I think I will use the pointy hoe. Alright, well, that is that. I got this long hose that I'll either run to the house or to one of the buildings because I got water service to all them. But that's pretty much it. And then hopefully in the future I can get a few more lines in there.